YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So in today's episode we are doing a winch cover review, and those who have been following me knows that I have installed a Smittybilt winch onto my truck. So in doing so, I found that I need a winch cover to protect my rope, my winch rope. So this is called the XRC winch cover. Supposedly it's made for their 9,000 pound winch to 12,000 pound winch models, and so I'm gonna see how this thing fits my truck, and that's the review. But let's do a first impression. Okay, so supposedly this fits all XRC winch models. UV stable for fading protections, marine grade waterproof and sealed material for element protection, strap with chain what do you call it, cinch lock for a snug fit, and easy install. So that's what I am trying to do today. Is it easy to install? Does that little cinch lock work? And what is the quality of the material? So let's open it up. First impression. So the feel is that it feels sort of like nylon-ish textured material. Okay, and they call it marine grade waterproof and sealed material. So that's how it feels like. It's nylon-ish, if that's a if that's a word. From the feel of it, I think that it will be watertight, waterproof. So this is the cinch lock mechanism that they're talking about. It's cinch lock like a shoelace. Okay, so this is the locking mechanism. Okay, the question is, will it fit my unit? Okay, so that's the size. And judging by the way they did this, okay, so I'm thinking that it goes underneath the Smittybilt winch, this right here. Okay, so let's take this thing off and let's see if we can install. So this is just regular strap material, small strap. This is my pinky, and that's the size of the strap. Okay, okay, so this is how they cinch lock it. All right, so let's see how easy it is to install. Now I'll let you know, my winch is mounted onto my truck pretty tight. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm assuming that this is the front. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay guys, so here it is. This is gonna be the front. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can put it in there. Take out my license plate here so I can go in. Never done this before. So if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. Okay, I'm thinking, gosh, you know, I wish, this is what I wish. I wish this would be sort of like a shoelace where it goes into the hole here easily. So I don't know how it's going to be like, because I made this winch really tight to my condenser over here, and the transmission cooler is really tight. I don't know how it's going to go in. I don't know if you see this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Don't know if you see these wires right here. They're ultra tight, and that's the way I designed it. So I don't know if this thing will work, and I don't know if this thing will ever fit. So let's do this. Gosh, I'm actually kind of apprehensive. All right. I'm actually kind of apprehensive that it might not work. Okay. I'm straining the back grommets. Okay. Let's see what happens. If it fails, guys. Super tight in the back. Making this thing come, this little cinch rope right here, making it come into the bottom. I don't know if it would work. Okay, so this side went in. I don't know if you see what I'm doing, but let me take this over here. So basically, this here and this here, I don't know if you see that. Okay, this comes from the back, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, and then I'm going to run this one to here. Okay. This little cinch thingy, okay, goes here. This little cinch thingy, not cinch thingy, but the strap, you know, okay, they could make a better strap lock, because here I don't have any power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to burn this up, and I'm going to roll it up like that, like a little shoelace. Okay, be right back. Okay, so here goes nothing. Let's see. Never done this before. If I burn myself, screw up, don't laugh. Well, okay. I wish this thing came looking like a shoelace. Smittybilt, if you are listening to me, if you're watching this, your lock sucks. It would have been better if you made this into what looks like a shoelace. See that? So it comes in like this. So I read a lot of negative review on this product, so I thought I'd do a video review of it so that you know what is going on. Okay, so that's the downsize of this thing. Let's get to this here. So now I'm not gonna bash Smittybilt for making this thing. Okay, because honestly, when I designed this winch mount, I didn't take into consideration the bag, so I can't bash them on it. Okay, to be fair, it's really tight in the back, so that's my fault. I'm almost certain that if I leave room in the back for this bag, the cover, that it wouldn't be like this. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. So this is that thing. This thing's gonna come out this way. Okay, well, let's do it this way. This thing is gonna come out the second grommet here. Okay. Like so. And then this other end gonna come here. Okay. Like that. Okay. So that's how the bad boy look. Okay. Again, they make one side singed like this. Here they didn't make this side, the side singed. So let me burn this so I can singe it like that. Oops, my fault. Dang, it's harder than I thought. Okay, all right. So the cinch lock. Here is your cinch lock. You see this? It's circular. Okay, so the cinch lock, you have to press this like that. So that press it to open. Okay. Here. This thing, press it, opens up, pull it out. Okay. Press this in, open, close. And then, okay. Don't know if you could see that. Pull it. Okay. And it's tight. It's locked. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Look in the back. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about this bag. It looks okay. The material is semi-heavy duty. Hope it here where I live, the temperature gets up to 110 degrees in the summertime. So I don't know how this thing will fare in the heat of the Central Valley where I live. And so we'll see what happens. But the only complaint that I have is this thing right here. I wish it came in the form of a shoelace style, okay, but it doesn't, so I have to singe it. So is here, okay. As far as easy installment, it's installation. It's easy to install. Uh, I did a lot of review before I bought this unit here, this cover here, and I was fearing the worst when I ordered it. But as you can see, it's not that bad. See, it's really tight in there, but it's all right. It's not that bad. So that's it, guys. That's my review of this Smittybilt winch cover. Let me know what your thoughts are. I thought it's pretty cool. I thought it fits very nicely. Okay, so from a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I give it a 5. The reason is because of this. Okay, but overall fitment, I give it a 10. But installing and cinching this, I give it a 5. So that's just my thought about this. If you have any questions, comment, leave it below. I do have children who watches my show, and so please keep it family friendly, and we'll see you in the next episode.